What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, we are in Mr. Mach 1's garage again today. Yes, we are getting ready for Easter. What does the Fairmont and the 55 Chevy have to do with Easter? Nothing. I just got some time off to work on the car. So anyhow, let's turn around. I'm going to let you know what's going on with the Fairmont. I'm not a happy camper today because things just ain't going my way with the Fairmont. So let's turn this around. So anywho, everybody knows that these headers are a pain in the backside. So I've actually, the valve cover is just sitting on there right now. I've had it off so that way I can get down there and work on the headers, get them put on. I got the gasket back in there and I got that, and we are started. But I'm having a problem with this back bolt back here, and I don't want to fight that bolt because I don't want to strip the threads. So just probably a little misalignment or whatever. But I've gotten to the point today where I don't want to start throwing wrenches. But everything else is lined up pretty good, so I'm pretty happy. Besides that back header, which the upper bolt's no problem. It's the back bolt. So, you know, pain in the butt. Yes, it is. So anyhow, I just figured I'd let you know what's going on with the Fairmont. And let me show you a couple cool things that, well, do you know what? I'm just going to end the Fairmont here. So I'm just kind of giving you guys an update of what's going on. Let's turn this around. So anyhow, you know when it's time to stop. Walk away, come back another time, and work on it. You know what I mean? And I'm at that point. So I'm going to walk away from the Fairmont. And a friend of mine stopped by, and he dropped me off a couple things and some books and stuff on the 55. And he's got some more stuff that he's going to bring by and give to me, which, you know what, like I said before, we love donations. So let's get done with this, and I'll show you what's going on with the 55. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this video.